Hi guys, so we are here in Santa. Ni hao. So this is my fellow classmate.
Hello, my name is Paul.
Yo, my name is James. Ni hao.
Retro.
Discover the charm of Santa Ilocos Sur when rich history, breathtaking landscape, and warm hospitality come together to create unforgettable memories. Paspas Santa!
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
Welcome to Santa View Deck, a stunning vantage point nestled in Santa Ilocos Sur.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
This spot offers a breathtaking view of the hills and coastlines, known for its history and natural beauty. The view deck is a great place to relax, take photos, and enjoy the charm of Ilocos.
Santa View Deck, where breathtaking panoramas and rich history meet, offering an unforgettable glimpse of Ilocos Sur's beauty.
Welcome to the Gabriela Silang Monument in Santa Ilocos Sur, a powerful symbol of courage and resilience.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
This monument honors Gabriela Silang, a brave leader who fought for freedom from Spanish rule. Set against Santa's beautiful scenery, it's both a historical landmark and a place of pride for locals and visitors.
The Gabriela Silang Monument, a tribute of bravery and a reminder of heroism that shaped the history of Ilocos Sur. Paspas Santa!
Welcome to Imelda Park, a peaceful and retreat in Santa Ilocos Sur, named after iconic former First Lady Imelda Marcos. Paspas Santa! Imelda Park, a sanctuary of beauty and history where nature and culture meet in the heart of Santa Ilocos Sur.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
Imelda Park, a beautiful spot with rich history, offers visitors a peaceful atmosphere and amazing views. It's a must-see for anyone exploring the Ilocos region, combining nature and culture in one stunning place. Welcome to San Jose Seaside in Santa Ilocos Sur, a peaceful coastal retreat with beautiful ocean views. It is the perfect spot for relaxation, photography, and enjoying nature. Experience the charm and culture of Ilocos Sur while watching the serene beauty of this hidden gem.
Welcome to the breathtaking waterfalls of Magsaysay, Santa Ilocos, known for their crystal clear waters and serene beauty.
Their waterfalls offer the perfect escape into nature. Hidden in the heart of Magsaysay, the waterfalls of Santa Ilocos are nature's refreshing masterpiece waiting to be discovered.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
Paspas Santa.
Welcome to Quezon Society in Santa Ilocos, a popular spot of the students, locals alike, offering escape by the ocean.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
With calm waters and beautiful views, this coastal spot is a favorite for students to relax, study, or enjoy nature. The peaceful vibe and stunning sunsets make it a great place to unwind and socialize. A student favorite for wave, whisper, relaxation, and adventure, the heart in Santa Ilocos.
Welcome to Rancho Seaside in Santa Ilocos, a stunning coastal destination known for its clear water and famous Snake Island.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
Coastal paradise for unique nature, meets adventure. Featuring the unique Snake Island in Santa Ilocos.
Santa Ilocos, a town steeped history and natural beauty, where culture and tranquility meet at every corner.
Hello everyone. Today, we're in the historic town of Santa Ilocos, visiting one of the most treasured landmarks here in the St. Catherine of Alexandria Parish. This stunning church has stood the test of time and continues to serve as a beacon of faith and culture for the local community.
Welcome to Barasibis Falls, a serene and breathtaking natural wonder nestled in the heart of the town.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok. Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo.
Barasibis Falls, a hidden paradise in Santa Ilocos Sur, where nature's beauty flows in cascading drop.
Welcome to Tea's Grill House in Santa Ilocos, a local favorite known for its delicious grilled specialties and welcoming atmosphere.
Guys, follow him. Let's go.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a hidden gem in the heart of Ilocos Sur, Casa de Alcar Resort in Santa. Nestled between the mountains and the sea, in this resort is the perfect escape from the hustle and the bustle of daily life.
Welcome to Cafia Cafe, a charming cafe located near the historic Banawag Beach in Santa Ilocos.
Cafia Cafe, a perfect cup of coffee with stunning views near the Banawag Beach in Santa Ilocos.
Santa Ilocos, home of the two iconic bridges, the Banawag Bridge and the Old Quirino Bridge. Paspas, Santa.
That offers a glimpse into a past while showcasing a timeless of beauty of Santa Ilocos Sur. Paspas Santa!